Welcome to class 11th of Mathematics and Statistics paper 2. This is my fourth video lecture on the topic permutation and combination. In the last video lectures, we have understand the concept of permutations. Now, in this video lecture, we will understand the concept of circular permutation. So let's see. Circular permutation. The arrangement in a circle are called circular permutation. The number of circular permutations of n different objects will be n minus 1 factorial. Okay? Circular permutation. If the clockwise and the anti-clockwise orders are not distinct, then the number of ways will be n minus 1 factorial upon 2. If clockwise and anti-clockwise orders are taken as not different, then total number of circular permutations are npr upon 2r. If clockwise and anti-clockwise orders are taken as different, then total number of circular permutations are npr upon r. Okay? And the last, the number of circular arrangements of an object of which m objects are identical is given by n minus 1 factorial upon m factorial. Okay, so these are the some conditions where we have to use which type of formula. So let's see some examples. Let's see the example. Find the number of ways for 15 people to sit around the table so that no two arrangements have the same neighbors. So let's see the solution. There are 15 people to sit around a table. They can arranged in 15 minus 1 factorial, which is equals to 14 factorial ways. In circular permutation, the number of circular permutation of n different objects will be n minus 1 factorial. So that is why over here we have 15 people, so we can arrange among themselves in 15 minus 1 factorial. So we have got 14 factorial ways. Okay, but they should not have same neighbors. So we can arrange in this manner also. A particular person, then X and Y, and in the second diagram we have A, and we have changed the neighbors Y and X. Therefore, number of arrangement possible for not to have same neighbors equal to 14 factorial upon 2. Next example. 5 men, 2 women and a child sit around a table. Find the number of arrangements where the child is seated between the 2 women. Let's see the solution. When child is seated between 2 women, 5 men and 2 women and a child are to be seated around a round table such that the child is seated between 2 women. Okay. So 2 women can be seated on either side of the child in 2 factorial ways. Let us consider these 3 as one unit. Okay, the child and the 2 women will consider as 1 unit. Also, these 3 and 5 men, which can be done in 6 minus 1 ways. 5 plus 1 unit. Okay, because we have considered these 3 as 1 unit, so total will be 6. We can arrange among themselves as 6 minus 1 factorial, which is equals to 5 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of arrangements if child seated between two women will be 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So the answer will be 120 into 2, which is equals to 240 ways. Let's see another example. Find the number of sitting arrangements for 3 men and 3 women to sit around a table so exactly 2 women are together. Let's see the solution. 3 men around a table sit in 3 minus 1 factorial, which is equals to 2 factorial ways. 2 women out of 3 women and make them sit in 3p 2 ways. Okay. Treat these 2 women as 1 unit and arrange 3 women in 3 gaps in 3p 2 ways. Okay. So whenever we have 2 women are always together or 2 books are always together, we have to consider that as 1 unit. Okay. Therefore, selected women can interchange their position and they can write as 3p2 into 3p2 into 2 factorial ways. Okay. So like this, we have to solve the examples. Next example, 15 persons sit around a table. Find the number of arrangements that have 2 specified persons not sitting side by side. Okay, till now we have solved examples that 2 persons are together. Over here, no 2 specific persons are sitting together. Let's see how we can do it. 2 particular persons can't be sitting side by side. So 13 persons can be arranged around a table in 13 minus 1 factorial ways. The 2 persons who are not sitting side by side may take 13 position created by persons in 13p2 ways. Okay. Therefore, total number of arrangements in which 2 specified persons not sitting together side by side will be 12 factorial into 13p2 ways. That will be 12 into 13 factorial ways. Thank you, students.